Lipid profile checks at the age of 18. You heard that right. Unique measures for unique problems. Young Indians are dying because of heart attacks. It could be because they're battling a silent killer. Poorly managed lipid profiles are the biggest risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Well, India has got the first guidelines ever for managing lipid levels for the first time. These guidelines are aimed at clinicians, individuals, and medical labs. The cutoff for various lipid markers was modified based on the risk factors. The Government of India says this is the need of the hour. Given the big surge in heart-related complications and deaths, this was necessary. The Cardiological Society of India, CSI, a 22-member committee, released the first-ever guidelines tailored to Indians for dyslipidemia, which is high cholesterol management. Dyslipidemia is a medical condition where there are abnormal levels of lipids or fats in the blood, such as high cholesterol or triglycerides. This imbalance can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. It's often managed with diet, exercise, and medication. This condition is characterized by the high total cholesterol in the blood, including elevated LDL cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol, high triglycerides, and low HDL cholesterol, which is good cholesterol. It also says that non-fasting measurements should be the new norm for measuring lipids. No need to fast while going on this test. Well, this is being done to address the country's unique health challenges and lifestyle factors. A study published in June 2023 in the journal The Lancet Diabetes and Endocrinology and supported by the Indian Council of Medical Research and the Government of India showed that the national prevalence of dyslipidemia stands at an alarming 81.2% in India. The CSI has recommended that the general population and low-risk individuals maintain LDL-C levels below 100 milligrams per deciliter and non-HDL-C, which is total cholesterol minus good cholesterol levels, below 130 milligrams per deciliter. On the other hand, high-risk individuals such as those with diabetes or hypertension should aim for LDL-C below 70 milligrams per deciliter and non-HDL-C below 100 milligrams per deciliter. The CSI has recommended strictest guidelines of very high-risk patients, which include those with a history of heart attacks, strokes, or chronic kidney disease. They should aim for LDL-C levels below 55 milligrams per deciliter and non-HDL levels below 85 milligrams per deciliter. This is what the CSI said.